Hello guys, it's Lambers and welcome back to another Python coding tutorial. Today we are at part 2 of our brand new series, Discord bot series. So let's get into coding. Today we will be making commands as you saw in the thumbnail. So the first thing, when you wanna give commands to your bot, you wanna again import Discord. So you won't be able to do this if you didn't download the Discord library. So make sure you watch my first video on this. I will link it on the top right corner of the screen. So you wanna write from discord.ext import commands. So now you imported the commands library embedded in the Discord module. So you want to make a new type of instance of the bot. So you want to do client equals with commands dot prefix, and you open parentheses. Commands dot bot with capital letter, open parentheses, command prefix equals to, and you want to put in the prefix you want for your command. I'm going to put it dot, I don't know, you can put exclamation mark, comma, I'll put it as dot. Okay, so now that we have our instance done, let's make our first command. So we're going to start off simple at client.command. This is the function decorator at client.command. This is what you need to write over each function. And we're gonna try async def hello. And you're gonna pass in the context. I will explain what this is. So, as I said, we're gonna start off simple. So we are going to await and then send this. So when this command is called, the context will basically give all the data from where it's called. So we're gonna send this to the context, and we're gonna send this string, no, not an F string, just hello. So this is our first command. I'm gonna test all of the commands at the end. So this is our first command. So basically when you type dot hello like this, it's gonna send hello back. Okay, so this is our first command, and as our second command, this is gonna be a little bit more, not hard, but interesting, I'd say. Client.command, and we're going to have a command that adds two numbers. So I'm going to name it add, and watch what I'm going to do. So I'm going to pass in the context again, which is mandatory, and I'm going to have two arguments. So the first argument is going to be number 1, and the second argument is going to be number 2. So how this works, when you basically write dot add and then you write 1 and 2, the value of number 1 will be equal to 1, and the value of number 2 will be equal to this one. So this is how it works. So we're gonna try to await this message, await context.send, and we're gonna send an F string of integer num1 plus, where is the plus? Right here, integer num2. So we're basically gonna send in the answer. And we're except, so we want to have a personalized message of error. For example, if they write a letter, if their syntax is wrong, we want to send a personalized message. So I'm gonna do this right now, context.send, and we're gonna send not an F string, we're gonna send a simple string writing please input a number by this syntax, and we're gonna put a column and wait, so sorry, need other bracket. Okay, and we're gonna go on a new line. I'm gonna do this here, and then on the new line we are going to write the syntax. So I'm gonna write command prefix and add and number 1, number 2. So this is basically our syntax of how I just show you. So yeah, this is our personalized error message. Now we're gonna have another, I'm gonna show you guys another command which will be showcasing the aliases of function that Discord has. Client command, and when you want to call a command like by different names, more than one name, you need to do this, aliases with, yeah, I'm checking my spelling. So we're gonna have call1 and call2. So yeah, just an example. And I'm going to show you guys another Discord feature. So again, we're gonna write async def, and I'm gonna call it what I said. So if you don't have any aliases, the way you call a function, it's by its name here. So you write dot hello dot add. If you have aliases, you can write dot call1, dot call2, or dot what I said. So yeah, that's a cool thing. So we're gonna pass in the context as usual, and this star, I'm gonna explain you in a second what it means, and the argument. So basically what this star does, for example, when I do this call1 and then I write hello world, it won't notate hello with num1 and world with num2, for example. It will give hello world as argument. It will not make a difference by the space. This is what this star does. We're gonna tab in and continue coding, and we're gonna await context.send. And remember what I said, that context is like the gives information about the command. So you can also have this inside. Wait, okay, context.author.name. Yeah, so you can, so this basically returns the person's name, said arg. Yeah, so basically this will say Lambel said and what I said. So yeah, to run this you need to copy the token, client.run, and copy paste the token, which I have it copied right here. Okay, we're gonna paste it here, and I'm not going to run this directly from here because I already made this. So I'm gonna open my initial one. Oh, open file, and hello. I have it named hello. I don't know why, don't ask me. Yeah. So I'm going to run this troll build. So you see here it writes building. When it stopped, it means that we're good to go. Open Discord. Okay. Yes, very good. On this, and you see my body is online, and yeah, ignore my messages. So we're gonna add 1 and 2 equals 3. We're gonna use the hello, and we're gonna use, so remember, let me make this here. So we have those aliases. So dot alias 1, and my name is Lambles. Lambles said my name is Lambles. Yeah. So we're gonna call this by alias 2, because as you see, I gave it this value also. Alias 2. How are you? I made a rhyme there, guys. You saw that. I hope you did. So yeah, you see it works. Everything works. Yeah. So subscribe and leave a like if you enjoyed it and want more content like this. And yeah, peace out. Have a nice day. Stay safe.
They want a story, I'ma tell them that. They wanna see I got the visions, want the change, I'll make the difference. And you know that I'll be searching till I bring it back. Yeah, I went through hell and back to find myself, but I am not the same as who I left. No, I am not the same, I'm reinventing from the head to toe. Still I'm on that same roll, still I'm grinding just to reach the payroll. Since I was like yay tall and yay oh, I was always cooking, you was feeding up the day-ohs. I ain't really know it, but I should though. I ain't really get it, but I could though. Something